Hi guys, good morning. Right now it's about 11:10, right? 11:10, and I'm making my video a little faster, little earlier, and the reason is I have to travel today. So, so what I want to show you here is how Nifty is behaving. But before I go on to that, I have some. I thought, let me talk to you guys today. Today is 26th of December 2017, and right now it's about 11:40. What I'm saying, 11:40 in the morning, right? And what I'm saying that, year is just about to end. Like we are just very, very close to another 4, 5 days to go, and we'll be entering into 2018. What will be the difference? Like we'll sleep, we'll get up in the morning and eat and party with friends. How can we, what like these different occasions come in our life? Like for example, 1st January will come, then Holi will come, then Diwali will come, then new financial year will begin. But if there is no certain year to year change in our life, how do we remember those years? Like how do we say, okay, this year I transformed this particular thing in my life. So some of the things that I have in my mind, I mean, I always look my progress year on year basis, like how my life changed from last year to this year. So that is my rule, that is how I really look into my life every year on year basis. So what I'm saying, I want to see a difference in my life, and that makes my all these occasions much better for me. So until I go in new year with a resolve, it will be another day. So what I want you guys, it doesn't matter whom you learn with, who teaches you, but please resolve one thing, rather resolve two things in your life. That one, that you will not be in in the market if you don't understand about it. Second thing is, don't lose money. These are the two resolve I want you guys to make. I don't care whom you learn from, but you learn, right? You want to use free videos. I have made 230 two videos here and some about 30 videos there. 260 my videos are there. Then you have various other people who have shared their knowledge. Please watch as many videos as you can. That is one thing. Second thing is, resolve that you will not lose money no matter what. I've been talking to so many people every day in and out. I always talk to people, like through WhatsApp, through emails, through phone calls. And I mean, there are people who've been watching my videos for at least, good 1 year, and they also write to me, we are still losing money. Why? Because they don't understand. They don't understand when to enter, and they fall, to the greed. When you have greed in the market, when you have no science behind it, when you enter and exit because your heart says so, you feel like doing it, you feel like others are entering, so you should also enter. That is when you falter, and that is where you lose money. You have to be emotionless in the market. You get my point? If it fits into our criteria, we will buy it. If it doesn't fit into our criteria, we will not buy it. Like one of my member has done trade of Vardhman Holdings. Look at the trade. Look at the trade and the movement that it has given. He did not enter today. He did not enter today. He has entered here at this point, right? Somewhere here he entered, and see at this point he entered 3672, and see the movement 2000 points movement that you see, right? When the stock broke this channel, it just gave a huge momentum. So you will be able to identify such kind of stocks will be on your radar too. And the confidence level will be different, because you will understand how much a mutual fund give you return, how much a bank give you. Let's go step by step, right? How much bank gives you in a year? I believe at max about 9%, and that to be, with taxes. You'll have to pay taxes on that 9% interest with without taxes, and you have to pay tax on it. Then how much a mutual fund give? Let's say we talk about the best of mutual funds. The range of mutual fund is basically from starting from 15% to about the highest one is about 30-35% per annum, right? And 35% is also one very rare odd mutual funds that will give you 30%, right? Now here what we are talking about, 10% move in a day or two or three or in a week. That's the movement we are talking about, right? That's the movement we are talking about. We don't talk about, in a year that you earn, it's about in 1 month you earn about good 15 to 20% movement. Can there be a better proposition than what I'm saying? I'm saying that you people, we will teach you how to enter, how to exit, trade in equity, and get your money back in 2 months. You have various options. You have, credit card. You have, the installments on the credit card. You have everything that you want, and you have such beautiful setup where you get every other day a 10% movement. I believe that's a very very good return on any investment. Any investment. So, on my radar today are these two stocks. One is, of course, Vardhman Holding is my member stock. 𝐸𝐶𝐸, that is one stock that I have. The other stock that I have is in JBMA, which looks very, very good to me. And the next one is CDSL. CDSL is a monopoly stock. We can, invest in it and leave it for at least 5 years. Forget about it. Like see here, why it is looking so attractive to me is basically look into its 1 month graph. Can you see this long tailed candle that has formed? Long tailed doji. This looks very, very good to me, right? And I'm 100% sure if CDSL crosses this barrier of 400, next target is going to be 485, and which I believe it should be able to do in this particular run up. It should be able to do that. Okay. And 𝐸𝐶𝐸, let's talk about 𝐸𝐶𝐸. What do we think about it? This is monthly graph of 𝐸𝐶𝐸. Looks extremely beautiful. See here, go back and see what's happening in the past. When this MACD RSI crossover took place, it was at 555, and this is 2013, right? After that, it went up to 1745, right? From when to when? Starting from July 2013 to August 2016, right? How many times it became 500 to 1750 means it has given a good 200% return. 1200 rupees return it had given, right? Which is way beyond that, not even 20 to 240% return. And then it is again, you are getting it on a support, right? And I believe it should definitely, in the recent future, it should give you 1784, which is about 200 to 50 points above from this point. So CDSL, 𝐸𝐶𝐸 looks very good to me, and CDSL is a monopoly stock which looks good to me. And Jufic Bio, again, I find this as a very very good stock. Every time you get it on a support, let it cool down further. When you get it on support, enter into it, right? And another stock which I feel today is doing very good is Flips Carbon. Flips Carbon is looking very good to me. Today is a day to enter into Flips Carbon. All right, then let's go back and see what. So these are some monopoly stock. Like I would say, Flips Carbon, Jufic Bio, and let me add up 2, 3 more. If you keep them with you, Ramkey is another one. It's a cement stock. And then we have Heidelberg Cement. This is another stock that I have on my radar. All these stocks will give you huge return. Like these could be, you can put 10,000 in each one of them and forget for good 1 year. Let's see next year around 1st of January 2019 what's happening in them. These are monopoly stocks, right? These are monopoly stock. Hold them and forget about them. So let's see what's happening in JVL Agro. How is it doing now? This is 1 day graph of JVL Agro, right? So it has gone up to 26.80, also about a couple of days back. So I think those who invested in it could have got the good profit. I think this stock can also be kept on our radar. Definitely, because see, it's not going below the 200 moving average. So this looks very good to me. If you want, like you can buy some 500 shares of this particular stock, which is JVL Agro. Keep it in your portfolio and forget about it, right? One stock which had a great beginning today was this DB Reality. And but somehow, I don't get convinced by such stocks, which have such huge, like lying low, 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 and then suddenly this movement. I get very suspicious about these stocks. So I want to see more authentic movement, and then only I'll be able to enter into it. So some of the stocks, as I said to you, definitely are JVL Agro. Then we have Ramkey and Heidelberg and Suwon Life Sciences. All my favorite stocks are life sciences stocks and the infrastructure stocks, in which, of course, we get the cement stocks as well. Okay, so those, and then another one that I have on my radar is All Cargo. All Cargo has broken its multiple time resistance. So this is where it had, see this point. If you see right now here, let me take the pen and probably that'll make it more easy for us. Here, this is one point right here, then another one, then the third one. Let me take a pen, draw a line. So this is here, right? Now, this has been broken with volumes today. Can you see? This has been broken with volumes. So when a stock breaks its previous high with volumes, it has capacity to go, right? It has that momentum, it has those volumes. Now, what can we expect? We can definitely expect 222 in near future, right? If it breaks this 222, then I see 250 in the near future too, right? Because I believe when a stock breaks its high, lifetime high, it at least has a momentum of 10 to 15% upcoming momentum. So that is what I'm expecting from All Cargo. All right, these are the stocks you can keep in your portfolio and earn money. Like market, you should resolve, as I've been saying about earning money, that in the market, two things you have to have. One is the knowledge, the second is no losing, no matter what. No matter what, right? It may mean that you move slowly, gradually to the next level, learn by just trading in one share, two share, three share, 10 share, and then gradually go to 100 shares, then go to 1,000 shares. But learn about market, go slow, no need of greed. Market should be a place where you have no emotions. If it fits in your technical setup, do it. And if it doesn't fit into your technical setup, just forget about it. There are no emotions, there are no friends who are suggesting, there is nothing. It is the technical setup. So if you want to learn technical setup, if you want to know right entry and right exit, I'm starting my webinar on 6th of January and I'm waiting for you all, every single person out there, right? I would be happy to teach you, because my mission and my resolve is to teach, right? I'm a trader, but I don't trade as much, as others do. I will teach you every single segment, whether it is equity, future, and or it is, options, every single thing, even intraday I teach. Today my trade was sale. I entered at about 9:34 into this. I wanted to buy 87.3, but then suddenly I cancelled because we have to travel now. Today, as I told you, I'm traveling right now. We have to just move out in another 10-15 minutes. So I did not want to take a risk. That is why I didn't enter. So what did I do? I marked its morning range. Can you see the morning range? This was the first 15 minutes candle. The moment first 15 minutes candle of sale was broken, it just went up with huge volumes. Like the first candle is from 9:15 to 9:30. I wanted to enter at 9:34, right? and see the momentum that this particular stock has given. It is right now at 88.45. A good about 1,000 points would have been my profit. All right. So every segment that you're talking about, I will teach you, right? And I've already taught about 400, 450 people, and I'm waiting for you all because I'm here to teach. My job is to teach. My mission is to teach, and I'm waiting for you all. I want to see you there, and please build a portfolio of monopoly stocks. I've given you a few. 𝐸𝐶𝐿 is one of them. CDSL, Heidelberg, Ramkey. Of course, Ramkey and Heidelberg are not monopoly, but 𝐸𝐶𝐿 and CDSL and Jufic Bio and Suven Life Sciences, these are my favorite stocks for the next 1 year. I'll keep giving you for the next couple of days, 3 days or till 10th of January, the stocks that I like and I believe that they will go up. And definitely my stock for the coming year is Flips Carbon also. And I expect Flips Carbon to at least be 2,000. Like the value of this stock should be at least 2,000 by the next 1 year or maybe 6 months, right? So this is my projection of this particular stock. So please analyze before you invest, and I would say that once again what I've been reiterating and saying, that learn before you invest. Your resolve should be actually to be able to learn about the market and then enter at the right time, at the right moment, right? Your money, nobody will take good care of it except you, right? And I am waiting for you. Any detail that you want, you can go to my website and find it over there. You will get all the details that you're looking for, and you will find everything. You go to my any of my uh, YouTube video, so you will be able to see. You go to the description box, you will get all the details that you're looking at. You will get everything at one place. This is my website, this is my Telegram channel, this is my Facebook, Twitter account, this is email. You can even call up over here. This is a toll free number. Just call upon that and my team will contact you. Or you can WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp over here, right? So every single information that you're looking at is on my each and every video. All right. So guys, with this, just quick analysis of Nifty and then I'll close it. So Nifty looks range bound to me today. Nifty is looking range bound to me today. The reason why am I saying it's looking range bound? Because it's not doing anything. Let me form its morning range. It's not being able to cross this morning range. The moment it crosses the morning range, we'll probably be able to decide. Okay, let's quickly also see what's happening into its option chain. So there's a huge call writing happening at 10,500 levels, and even the put writing is happening at the same level. Let's see how it's changing. So there could be a possibility Nifty may have a little upside rather than downside. Nifty looks little solid to me right now. My long-term perspective on Nifty is definitely positive, but by looking at option chain, I can say by looking at the change in the dynamics of the option chain, I feel that the Nifty is planning to go up. All right. So with this, I'm signing off, but I want you all to enter in the market with confidence, right? This is my suggestion, but rest is up to you. But I believe, it'll be wise if you don't lose money. Like I always believe, you should have two resolves. One resolve should be that I'm not going to lose even a penny in the market, in the stock market. Second resolve you should have is that even if I have to spend lakhs of rupees to learn about market, I will do that. But you people have opposite resolve. You don't mind losing lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, even crores of rupees in the market. But when it comes to learning, you people are very, you don't want to spend even 30,000 rupees. So where will you get this proposition? What I'm saying, you pay 30,000, buy credit card, buy installment, buy whichever way we will get it. You will be able to run, you will be able to earn along with us within 2 months this back. I mean, it's free education for life. Do it in 2018 and just finish all your financial wars. Like all your financial worries will be over with it. Okay, start with 10,000, start with 20,000. I don't care. Slowly, gradually, organically, your money will grow because and your experience will grow. Think about a year later, you will be pro in the market, right? So, I want you all to resolve 2018 as a financial independence year, right? Remember it like that, right? You have to have financial independence, and I'm going to be teaching you every single thing that you need to know about the market. With this, I'm signing off. See you tomorrow. Good day. Bye bye.